Hello guys. Good morning. I think dangerous na. Good morning guys. Kukunin namin yung papaya. Yeah, that. Sharon. Uy. Ay. Nag-harvest kami guys ng papaya. Isa pa. Meron pa isa. Dun. Samo. Satu. Deh. Ang tamis nito. Very sweet. Manis. Manis the backside. Ayan. Ripe na. Ito guys ay organic. Ay, what is this? Organic papaya from our garden. This one also, Yuli, yesterday I boiled, right? Sweet. This one, oh. This one. So later we take some. Take. Cause just put in the... Yes. So ito guys, yung aking... Ito naman ay linalagay lang namin sa rice, ay sa boiling water o sa ibabaw ng rice. Some more here, oh. Then kinakain namin. Thai para sa what is this? The green curry chicken. So ito guys yung puno niya, no. Parang terong. The leaves, right?
Yeah.
So, meron pa kami dun yam. There, the yam. Soon, maggagata ako ng gabi. Ayan naman yung aming yam. Ito naman yung malunggay, kakaros. Yung malunggay, right? O, konti lang. Very little the leaves. So, ito. A lot of flowers now.
New coming.
So, mamaya ilalagay namin to sa boiled rice o mainit na tubig. Ayan. There, oh. So, eto na guys, yung aming na-harvest today. Wait lang. Tapos, meron din kami ditong sili. Yuli, some new chili, oh. 1, 2, ayan. 2 chili. New one come out. So, ito naman guys ang sili, oh. So, ayan na. Yung isa pang papaya. Ayan si Yuli. Ayan guys. So, yun lang guys. Bye na. Bye. Ito yung na-harvest namin.